combination too, right? It's a long arm pendulum to a linear extension pendulum, right? That's fun. It's still a hybrid, right? Because you're doing, with the right arm, you're doing a long arm, and then you go from the long arm to the linear extension across the horizontal from 9 to 3, or technically from your view, 3 to 9. So long arm 9 to 3 and linear extension 3 to 9, while doing that same anti-spin with the other hand. So, I mean, that is definitely super fun. In my opinion, this stuff really starts to enhance your bilateral capabilities. Okay, if you can do this linear extension one, then you can start doing these cool around the head ones. I try not to do it like this, which is really more like a circle, and I'm trying to do it like a pendulum around the head.